Alright guys, we're live for the random teams for the last two boxes of draft. We're going to type live, indicating we are live. Timestamp 9:40 is 9:40. We're going to copy and paste the list to random.org.
Spades against Adams. Barnes drives on Ibaka.
We're going to copy twice since everybody gets two teams. Got Dennis on top, Brandon on the bottom of the first. I'm going to paste again. And we still got Dennis on top and Brandon on the bottom. Good luck, everybody. We're going to go 5 times. We'll always go 5. It's 9:41. And good luck. We're going to match it up alphabetically to the teams. Diamondbacks on top, Nationals on the bottom. Here we go. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again, we're going to go 5. It is 9:41 still. Last and final time. James Blow, spot 6. Hits Diamondbacks again, guys. James gets top spot. Dennis gets bottom spot. Everybody else in between. We're going to copy and paste the list. Alright, we got James with the Diamondbacks, Brandon Braves, Jared Orioles, Tim Red Sox, James Cubs, Tim White Sox, Jared Reds, Troy Indians, Jared Rockies, Brandon Tigers, Jared Astros, Tim Royals, Brandon Angels, Brandon Dodgers, Dennis Marlins, James Brewers, Jared Twins, Jared Mets, Brandon Yankees, Troy A's, Tim Phillies, James Pirates, Dennis Padres, Troy Giants. Hey Troy, you got your team finally. Jared Mariners, Jared Cardinals, Troy Rays, Dennis Rangers, Brandon Blue Jays, and Dennis Nationals. I'm going to leave this up for a second. I'm going to go ahead and print the list out for the break. And we'll break it here in about 15 minutes or so. It's 9:44 right now, so we'll go at 10 o'clock. And once again, I'll post a picture of the list as soon as the video is uploaded. Once again, there's our teams for the break. It is 9:43. And we are done. Good luck, everybody.